You may be able to download the PS4 versions of select PS1 and PSP video games for free. This offer may be available if you have previously bought these titles on the older PlayStation stores. To see if a classic game is eligible for the free PS4 upgrade, you can find the list in the description box. To check if you can download the PS4 version of a PS1 or PSP title you previously purchased, you need to first open the PlayStation Store on the PS4. Afterwards, you should use the search bar to find the product page of the video game you are looking for. If you are eligible for the free upgrade, then you should see the download option. If this video helped you out, then you can show your support for this channel by clicking on the like button.